the volcano, guys. Fill it up! Fill it up! Boing. Fill the volcano! Fill the volcano! Okay, guys, this is my second time recording this dang video. Because the first time I recorded this, the gosh dang video, like, in the middle of the video, the audio just cut out completely. So, I got the Google Cardboard. Yeah. I was a little bit too late to the Wear VR event or whatever. But let's just check out the cosmetics. Oh my god, that's sick. These cosmetics are awesome. That's awesome too. Ah. Whoa. Whoa! That moves! I can buy this. Look at all these! Oh my god, look at that! Do I have 1,500? Dang it. I'll wait 4 more hours. Well, let's check these out. Look at these! This is sick. Look at these. What?
Want to go ghost hunting?
No, I'm trying to make a video on the new update. Look at this. I'm gonna hit you. Pop!
Ghost hunt?
That is sick! Wait, what the?
Who
are you? Look at the Google Cardboard. Okay, let's go check out the volcano in Forest. Look at that! Guys, we gotta fill up the volcano! Ah! Help me! No, look at the lighting on this. Can one of y'all come by the slide? Get back up here! Get up here.
Wait, can
Get up here! Yes! Go up there and just line up with them. Okay, if you don't get up here in 5 seconds, I'm not. Just everybody get in the line. Okay. Everybody get in the line and then do something with your hands. That'll look. Get in a line! Guys, get in the line. Okay.
I'll give you some tips.
There we go. Let me check the. Yep, that's good. That's good. Now all I gotta do is find video. Bye. Wee. What? Yo! Dude, I literally just got done. Stop! Someone! He's chasing me! No! Get on the slide. Go. Bow, 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 bow. He's following me! What? I'm trying to swim. No! No! Hello, darkness, my